In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and install Stremio add-ons. So as you have noticed right here under this article, you can set up and install add-ons on Stremio by going over their actual tab. So if you have a Windows, Mac, Linux, or web, you can open the menu by going over to the puzzle icon right here and then searching for the add-on that you want to actually add. You can use the add-on menu. They have community add-ons as well as official add-ons released by Streamio themselves. Just simply click on the install option that appears right beside of that particular add-on and it will be installed on your account. If you have an Android, you just need to open the main menu and then click on the add-ons on the list. Just click on the list add-ons and you should be able to locate the add-ons that you wish to install. So for example, just click on this right here if you want to install this. And then after that, you should be able to install that particular add-on. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.